What is up, guys? It's your girl Elle, and I am back with another video. So today I am doing a brow tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to successfully and easily fill in your brows. So first, you want to brush your eyebrows out. Brush them in an upward motion. This releases any tangles that's possibly in your eyebrows. Then after you do that, you want to take your brow pencil and you want to line the bottom of your eyebrow to your desired angle. Normally, it's best to just follow your natural brow angle. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and go to the top of your brow and do a line above your hairs, like right at the tip of the hairs.
Johnny, it's the last time. I said, Johnny, it's the last time.
After you've done that, I like to take my spoolie brush at the end of my brow pencil just to brush in the lines that I created. Next, you'll just take your brow pencil and you will fill in half of your eyebrow first. I like to start from the middle to the end. With lighter strokes, you can go ahead and do the beginning of your eyebrow in more of a hair textured way. So I like to just do almost like lines. And I go in with my concealer. I like to use a concealer that is lighter than my skin tone, also lighter than my normal concealer color, but not too light. Once you do that, you want to take your beauty wedge and blend in the concealer beneath your eyebrows. Make sure your beauty blender is damp.
Johnny, it's the last time. I said, Johnny, it's the last time.
Then you want to grab your brow gel, and with this you're going to just brush your hair strokes and set your eyebrow. This helps to tame and catch any flyaways that may be on your eyebrow. Alright guys, this is my updated brow tutorial with a brow pencil. I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you guys would like to see a version with brow pomade, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!